letter is this?
M.
What?
M.
M. Bravo! What letter is this? P.
Papa.
Bravo! What letter is this?
Yeah.
Yeah! Bravo! No. No. What letter is this?
O.
Ah! Oh, okay, it's D. Oh, come. Oh, what is this, Rian? What is this? What is this, anak? Oh, look at the picture. What's this? Bravo! Bravo! What letter is this? Anak, what letter is this?
E.
Bravo, anak na. What letter is this? Dad. Hi, you say hi to daddy.
I.
Oh, what letter is this?
I.
Bravo! Very bright, my baby. Oh, what letter is this? What letter is this now?
A.
Very good! Hey, what's this? What's this picture? What's this?
A.
What? Eh? What is this? Oh, what's this? You say hi, daddy first.
I.
Hi. Oh, what letter? What's this? What's this picture?
Dad.
What letter is this?
Dad.
Oh, what letter? What's this picture?
Meow.
What?
You.
No. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this, baby? Look, oh.
Apple. Apple.
Ball. Apple. Oh, what's this? What's this, Rian? Rian. Oh, your hands. Come. What's this?
I.
Ay, very good. Oh, what's this?
M.
M for? Bravo. What's this?
O.
Oh, what's this picture? Huh? What's this? Oh, letter. What's this letter?
O.
This one.
E. O.
Oh, octopus. Octopus. Oh. What's this letter? Shh. Quiet. Oh, about Rian now. Shh. Quiet. Oh, what letter is this now? Say shh. Oh, what's this?
Yay.
Yes. Whoops. Bravo. Oh, clap your hands na. Bravo. Oh, you sing the alphabet.
E. B. E. D. E.
Bravo. A, B, C. Again. Sing the alphabet.
A. B. E.
B, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
P.
Q, R, S. Come on. You sing the alphabet?